Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to turn off Owlet Smart Sock 3. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss this topic by each step. So first is unplug the base station. Start by unplugging the base station from the power source. Then remove the Smart Sock. Take off the Owlet Smart Sock 3 from your baby foot and reset the base station. Press and hold the button on a base station. While holding the button, plug the base station back into the power source. Turn off the base station. After plugging in the base station while holding the button, quickly press the button again to turn it off completely. Okay. Then verify power off. Ensure that all the light on the base station are turned off, indicating that it's powered down. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.